Hey creepers, everyone here and welcome to another showcase where today I am showcasing my birds, my pet animals, my little petty whatever, my parrots. So, just skip ahead in the video a bit because I'm going to go inside the cage and it's very cold out here. Hello rooster, that sometimes attacks me. Just gonna get some bark. Ha! I'm invincible. Get up. Look. So these are my chickens. There's some of them anyway. I don't know where they are though. No. Alright, so I'm in here barefoot. Here's my I forgot what their name is. No, whatever. Hello. The last from a long way away. From a long way away. Hello. Pretty tame. Here's my eclectic parrot. She's beautiful, but she can't fly. No, we did not clip her. You guys are crazy! Hello. Hi. Hi. And we're gonna sell this dude. You had a good night? You had an alright night? See, you've had some water, put into some food. And Bernie here, he's crazy. Bernie here is a crazy bird. He bites, but you can pat him on the tail when you least expect him. And it's so close. Ha! I touched it. Didn't I, Bernie? Yes, I did. I did, Bernie. The leaves are so wet. It's okay, Bernie. It's okay. Alright, that'll end this video. Enjoy, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!